Hi, in front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this smartphone. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then, to disable location, select Close in No Location Access pop-up. So when I go back, as you can see, location is off. You can always turn it back on by hitting the same Now white shortcut. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Location Services to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!